Namaste, welcome back to Geeta's Kitchen of our 30 days side dish recipes. And today we have a very flavorful recipe from South Indian kitchen, that is peanut podi. Absolutely flavorful, protein packed, and it's a great combo with idli, dosa, chapathi, or even just with hot rice. This spicy, nutty peanut podi is pure comfort. 1 spoon with idli, dosa, or even on hot rice. And you'll forget all about chutney and sambar, especially on days when you don't have time or you're too tired to make chutney or sambar. This spicy peanut podi is your go-to recipe. You need a cup of roasted peanuts, about 10 of these Bydagi chilies for the color, they don't have spice in it, and about 6 to 8 dry spicy chilies. 6 will do if you don't eat much spice. A small piece of tamarind. This is the dry coconut or copra, about 2 tablespoons, and a few curry leaves. Now take the roasted groundnuts on a plate and peel them. If you get ready roasted peanuts, it's okay. Otherwise, you can just roast it in a pan or in your microwave. Allow it to cool and remove the peel. See, you can easily remove the peel like this. Heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Now add in the chilies, the spicy chilies as well as the non-spicy Bydagi chilies, and roast them over a low flame. Next, add in the small piece of tamarind and a few curry leaves. Just roast them also for another minute or so. Remove it onto a plate and allow it to cool. When cool, add the chilies, tamarind and curry leaves to your blender jar. Now grind it into a fine powder. See, the chilies have been blended into a powder. Now we'll add in about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, the dry coconut or copra. This dry coconut powder is also readily available online, you can get it. And now add in this roasted peanuts. Add salt to taste. Now when grinding, grind it only in pulses. Don't grind it fully at a time, grind it only in pulses, then you will get the perfect texture. See, now we have blended it to the perfect consistency, slightly coarse texture and a perfectly dry powder. So absolutely tasty and protein packed, flavorful peanut podi is ready. Just look at that color and the lovely aroma, nutty peanuts, spicy chilies and a hint of tamarind. Simply irresistible. Today I have some steaming hot idlis. So with the steaming hot idlis, I am serving some of this peanut podi. Drizzle some oil or ghee on top as per your taste. Lovely combo, peanut podi and idli. Some people even add garlic to this peanut podi and blend it together. That is individual taste. We prefer adding this dry coconut or copra powder. If you don't have access to dry coconut powder, you can make it without it too, but copra powder takes the taste to a different level altogether. This powder can be stored in an airtight box easily for 15 to 20 days without any problem, and you can, as I said, serve it with idli, dosa, chapathi or even just hot rice. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and don't forget to tune in tomorrow again for our next recipe from our 30 days 30 side dish recipes. Thank you for watching.